In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges of your HP OfficeJet Pro 8135E printer. So the first step is to open the front door and lift this section up. Automatically the ink chamber will move and come in this direction. To remove the old cartridges, there is a lock here. You have to press it once and then take the ink cartridge out. So do it one by one for all 4 ink cartridges. To install the new ink cartridge, remove the orange seal and remove the plastic packaging and then place it like this. Place the front portion in and then press it from the lock side. Now do it for the next. So all the ink cartridges are to be done in the same way, and then we are going to do it for the last one. Once we do it, press the door down. Automatically it will close, and then close the front door. Go to the printer display panel. Wait for the printer. So we successfully installed the ink cartridges. If you want to check the status, go to the supplies and click on the cartridges. It will give you the estimated level of ink left in the ink cartridges. So this way we can replace it. Thanks for watching.